Good morning guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nelly Kezia. I love you so much. Thank you for tuning in. And today I have my friend over here, Diana. Hi. You see? You see how we look? We in sports clothes, and we are going to the Faro. It's a mountain kinda, and we're going to walk through and just see the Mazatlan from the peak of the mountain. Yeah, so let's see how it's gonna be. And it's trust me, you need to try this when you come to Mazatlan, Mexico. It's such a nice vibe. You see, the ocean is there. Yes, and the mountain is somewhere there. I will let you know. I will let you see it when we get there. Okay. That's the mountain, the El Faro. We are going to park here.
No.
No? Okay. Closer. We don't want to get that tired. Yeah.
It's a long walk.
Yeah. It's a car coming. Yeah. We're going to the top of the mountain. There's some boats, some ships on the other side. Okay. I'll show you when you get there. Yeah. This is the mountain. El Faro. The El Faro. People walking through the El Faro. You see? And that's the Pacific Ocean. We're going to see it from the cliff of the mountain, from the El Faro itself. Yeah, so good. I already started panting. And Diana is as if she's used to it. It's a little bit early. We have an early sunrise.
Don't promote this.
They're going to Starbucks.
No, don't promote.
They're going to pay me.
Ow, okay, don't do it. It's nice.
Yeah, and you can see the view from here. It's already starting to be very perfect and nice view, and we are not yet at the peak of the mountain. Yeah, I hope you see it. The sun. Yeah, we going. This is so good for early morning, Diana. We are doing the best thing so we can start work when you're fresh and nice.
This is nice for get the stress out.
Yeah. If you have stress, you can come relieve your stress from here. Just walk.
Because it's a nice walk.
You can even come alone. You see, this guy is alone. Yeah. And when you see the ocean, oh,
The sea.
sorry, yeah, the sea. You're climbing and you're losing some breath. But it's okay. It's worth it. Do not litter. Diana, are you tired? You see the Pacific Ocean. Yeah, you can see it from here. Very nice and beautiful. Sunrise. Oh, look at the rocks. Oh yeah, nice. When you reach such a point and you can look down and see the ocean and see the other part of the ocean. We came from that side. I don't know if you can see. Yeah.
Stop being lazy.
I'm lazy. I'm already tired and sweaty. Hi. Diana is used to this, so she doesn't feel like it's a big deal. Let's go, girl. Give me some psych. Psych me up. Be careful. Be careful, girl.
Small video.
We are at the peak of El Faro. El Faro. Yeah, El Faro. Some of the rocks. We're going back to the place. People at the glassy place taking photos and videos. Yeah. Thank you. Gracias. This is a glassy place. Are you not afraid?
Oh, no, I'm afraid.
You're not afraid?
Yeah. I'm like walking like
Oh my goodness. Yeah,
I don't want to look
place.
down.
Oh my god. Yeah, you see? This is the peak of this. And we're on the glassy place. It's so scary though. I never thought I would be walking on a glassy area like this. Diana. You make me do crazy things. Can you please take me a photo?
Photo? Ready?
From here you can see the view of the whole city. The sun is not doing justice to me, but it's okay. The view of the ocean. Let's go around. That's the peak. El Faro. The ocean. That's a big ship, right? That's a big ship coming, huh?
Mm-hmm.
If you can see a ship coming, it's a way far. Ooh. We're good to go. Yeah, Diana?
Mm-hmm.
We are good to go.
Inside because the one to
Yeah.
record or take a picture of that.
I don't even see. Oh my god. I don't see. I think it's because of the sun. Too much sun. Yeah, but if you can see boats, they're doing some fishing, and there's a very big ship coming from that side. This is the ship. It's coming, though it's way far from here. You can see, and we're good to go this glassy area. Let's walk. Yeah. They're having a meeting.
Mm-hmm.
The view of the city. Mazatlan city. So nice.
Let's go.
Let's go home.
Have fun now.
Let's go home. We're going to have fun going down the hill.
I want to take you to breakfast, but
Nelly. Hey, pay attention.
Yeah, you have to be very careful when you're going down.
Mm-hmm.
If you slip and you fall, that's bad news. And that's about it for the day. Let me say for the morning. But it was so great. It's a great walk, exercise. You see?
we lose like
We've lost some
100
weight.
calories.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we sweat a lot. Lots of sweating.
I have to finish my book.
Your ship is coming. This is the ship we saw from the other side, I guess, yeah?
Yeah. I know.
Oh, So the ship normally moves this slow. Wow, it's so big. It's carnival panorama. Oh, okay. It's good to see the ship docking. Let's see. Carnival panorama. It's big. Oh my god, the sun. The sun is not doing justice. It's okay.